Your body is like a phone battery. Simply leaving it plugged in doesn't guarantee it'll reach 100%. If the charger is faulty or something keeps interrupting the charging process, the battery never fully recovers. Your body works the same way. You may be spending enough time in bed, but if something is preventing your body from fully recovering, you'll still wake up feeling exhausted. Here are 6 possible reasons why. Reason number 1, you're not getting quality sleep. You might be sleeping for 8 hours, but if your sleep is constantly interrupted or you aren't getting enough deep sleep, your body can't fully repair itself. How to fix that? Try going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet to help your body get deeper, more restorative sleep. Reason number 2, you're carrying too much stress. Your body may be asleep, but your brain is still working. Constant stress and overthinking can keep your nervous system active, making it harder to wake up feeling refreshed. How to fix that? Take 10 minutes before going to bed to relax. Do this deep breathing, journaling, prayer, or meditation can help calm your mind before you sleep. Reason number 3, your phone is stealing your sleep. Scrolling through social media before bed might seem harmless, but the light from your screen can delay your body's natural sleep cycle, making your sleep less refreshing. How to fix that? Avoid using your phone for at least 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Replace it with reading, stretching, or simply letting your mind unwind. Reason number 4, your body needs better fuel. Food is your body's source of energy. If you're skipping meals, eating too much junk food, or not drinking enough water, you'll likely feel tired no matter how long you sleep. How to fix that? Eat balanced meals, stay hydrated, and include enough protein, fruits, and vegetables in your daily diet. Reason number 5, you're not moving enough. It sounds backward, but the less you move, the more tired you can feel. How to fix that? Regular physical activity improves circulation, sleep quality, and overall energy. Even a 20-minute walk or light workout most days of the week can make a noticeable difference. Reason number 6, it could be an underlying health condition. If you've improved your habits but still feel exhausted almost every day for several weeks, your tiredness may have a medical cause. Conditions like anemia, thyroid disorders, or sleep apnea can all affect your energy levels. How to fix that? Don't ignore persistent fatigue. If it continues or comes with other symptoms, talk to a healthcare professional for proper evaluation. Being tired all the time is not something you should simply accept. Your body is trying to tell you something. The good news is that small changes can make a big difference. Start by fixing just one habit today, because when you take care of your body takes care of you. So here's my question for you. Which of these 6 reasons do you think is making you feel tired the most? Let me know in the comment. I'd love to hear your experience. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's always saying, "I'm tired," even after getting enough sleep. And if you're ready to build better habits, watch the next video, 10 hidden habits that separate strong men from weak men. It could be the mindset shift that helps you become stronger, more disciplined, and the best version of yourself. I'll see you there.